Hello everyone, welcome to the channel, and today I will show you how to load and export a MODIS land cover data in Earth Engine. So let's get started. So in this video I will show you how to access the MODIS land cover data products using our Earth Engine. So let's get started. So first let us import our country's boundary into Earth Engine. So to load our country's boundary in Earth Engine, we have to define a variable called countries. So we have to define a variable called countries. You have dot feature collection USDOS, that is United States Department of State Large Scale International Boundary Polygon Simple 2017. So this specific code can import our country's boundary layer into Earth Engine. So now our study area or the region of our interest is Zambia. So one of the country. So it is our study area. So I have defined a variable called Zambia equals to countries.filter w.filter.eq country now output as and output the layer as a Zambia. So we are from the world level countries boundary layer. We are specifically selecting the country region called Zambia. For that I have defined a variable and countries. So for that I defined the countries dot filter dot filter dot eq countries now output as our layer as a Zambia. So to load our MODIS land cover data product into Earth Engine and set the visualization parameter. So I have defined a variable called MODIS land. So to load our MODIS land cover data product into Earth Engine, we have defined a variable called MODIS land equals to image MODIS 0006. This refers to its date, that is 2017 January 1, and we are selecting a specific band, that is a land cover type 1. So in MODIS data we have several land cover products. So in that I'm specifically selecting the LC type 1 product. So that is land cover type 1, and dot clip we are specifically selecting our study area from our world level boundary polygon, that is our Zambia, that is our region of interest. So next is we're going to define a visualization parameter for our MODIS land cover data product. For that I defined a variable called IGB visualization parameter with a minimum value of 1 and a maximum value of 17, which represents the reflectance value, and we are specifically selecting the color palette for each of the land cover classes. So we have around 17 different classes. So the color palette, we have 16 different classes in our land cover product in MODIS data. So we have defined 16 different color palettes. So let me explain this code. So let me show you certain numbers. So each of this number represents a different color in our different color to in our land cover product. So let me show you that. So this is a color brewer website. So here we can able to see that each of the color has specific codes which represents a specific color. So let me show you this. So this color, specific color represents this specific code represents this specific color, and similarly other sets of color, that is the blue represents this specific color. To set a visualization parameter for our land cover data, we have to set a 17 different color palette for our land cover data. So now to add our layer into our Earth Engine, I have defined map.addLayer modisLand.clip. So modisLand here refers to our variable modisLand, that is our image, modis image, that is our land cover product, and .clip Zambia refers to our study region, that is our region of interest that represents the Zambia, and IGB visualization parameter here defines our variable visualization parameter and output as IGB. So map.center object. So here map.center object refers to as to center our layer, that is our study region, that is clipped by our land cover data with a zoom level of 8. So in order to center our object, we have defined map.center object Zambia with a zoom level of 8. And our add layer, we output as a IGB land cover Zambia and output as a layer name as IGB land cover Zambia. So let me run this code. So now I can able to see that. Let me run this code. So go to the option called Run script, click run script. So you can able to see that this is our MODIS land cover data product. We have specifically selected our study region as our Zambia. So this is Zambia. So you can see our layer as IGB, land cover Zambia. So we have around 17 different classes in this land cover product. So let me zoom this. So let me go to the option called satellite mode. So now you can able to see that this blue color indicates a water body. Let me turn this layer off. So now you can able to see that this is a water body. So in our modus landcover data, it shows as a water body. Similarly, let me see other features too. So let me see what is this feature is. Let me turn this off. So it is a mountain ridge, so which is covered by vegetation. Let me mountain ridge top, mountain ridge top covered by vegetation. So you can able to see that. So here we have other set of water bodies, and now let me show you that. So here we have other set of water body. Now let me see what is that. So it is a dam. It is a water body. So in this modus uncovered data product, we have 17 classes. We define the 17 different colors for the visualization parameter in this data. So to export this data, so now let me show you how to export this data to your Google Drive. So to export your land cover data product to your Google Drive, so we have to specify that is export.image to our drive, and we have to give some set of parameters, that is a description about it. The image is our modus land, and description is modus land cover, and scale, that is resolution, that is 500 meters, and region, that is our study region, is just Zambia. So now go to the option called run script. Now click run script. So now you can able to see in the task section of our task section. So we have our unsubmitted task, that is modus land cover export. So click this option, click run. So a new window pops up. Name tasks. Task is to initiate the image export. That is our modus land cover. It has a spare coordinate reference system, scale, that is resolution 500 meters, and to our drive. You can also create a new folder for this modus land cover data product. File name is modus land cover. Click run. So now you can able to see in this section that is our modus land cover export is being initiated. So wait for some time. It will take some time. So now again able to see that our Modis land cover data product has been exported to our Google Drive. So now it is really available in your Drive. You can access it by just by clicking it, open in Drive. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and make sure that you give us a like.